Yeah, you gotta love it. Hey, y'all, it's me, Marty. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Some of you love it. You know you do. You know you do. Okay. Welcome to another video. Good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Juneteenth Day. So, get set up here. I'm going to do a little video here, if you haven't already noticed. So, hope you're all doing well this morning. Doing a little scrolling this morning. And I'm going to hit the road again. Back to work trucking. So, oh, good coffee this morning. It's always good. So, I'm making some smiles this morning. And I wanted to show you what I made last few days. Made a bunch of smiles. And just to show you how creative the scroll saw is and how much you can do on it. And this is handcrafted woodworking. Yeah, I mean, it's not like carving where you're totally making everything from scratch. You are using a tool, but you know, the scroll saw is so creative, and it's still handcrafted to me. I make each thing that I make one at a time by hand. You know, I push the wood in and make the blade follow the pattern and everything. And I don't know. I just think it's so fun. I've been scroll sawing since 1992. And I'm still learning. I'm still an amateur. And I've done a lot of scrolling through the years. And I've made a lot of gifts and things. And it's just fun. And I really enjoy it. And just to show you how incredibly creative it is. There's so much you can do on the scroll saw. And a lot of you already know that. But so I have done many different things. And again, I have thousands of patterns and plans and ideas and all the different things that you can do on the scroll saw and other woodworking too. But I make a lot of the same things. It's just the way I am. And y'all know, most of you know, that I like word art. You know, I like making my Jesus words and hugs and the joys and peace and the smiles and all the different things. I like to express myself in words in wood, and it's just fun, and I just like making these things. So I do like to make something new once in a while, or bring back some of the older patterns and ideas and make up my own plans and ideas and patterns, and you know, you all know that. I'm always encouraging you to think outside the box and make up your own patterns and stuff and do your own thing and just have fun making sawdust and creating things. I like to make a lot of these word art things and keep a stock of them because we like to give them away. My wife really enjoys giving these away to people, and I like to give them away too and stuff. And today I wanted to show you the smile, and I know I've showed you these before, and but this is getting to be one of my favorite things to make because they just look cool. And they're fun. And I just made up the pattern. Nothing fancy, nothing new, really. I just spelled smile, and then I added a circle at the end with the smile in it. It's one piece. And I actually have a pattern here, a template. Y'all know I like to use hardboard templates for my patterns. And then I just trace this on the wood. No paper patterns or anything. For simple things like this, it's really nice to not use a paper pattern and just use a template and trace it. And what's really cool about these, and these are getting to be one of my favorite things to make and to give away, is each one can be different. And that's the thing. Even if you have a template or a pattern, go outside the lines and make it a little different. It's woodworking. Wood is different, and every piece is different. And I just use whatever I have, you know, whatever thickness. I like 3/4 inch or 1 inch thick for word art because they stand up on their own and they don't need a base. And I use all different woods for the most part. I use a lot of poplar. I like poplar and some pine, but I like to use all different woods. It's just really nice. But anyway, I like to make these smiles. And what's really fun is, yeah, I have a template. You know, there's a smile. And again, that's nothing new. It's like the emoji thing, you know, but I like to make up my own things here. And this is pretty cool. So what's fun about these is, yeah, you can just do the regular smile, but you can do different ones too. And I do that. So basically, when I trace these out, I don't trace the eyes and the mouth. I just make it up. Every single one is different. And I'm going to show you here. I made 20 of them the last couple of days, 20 smiles, and they're all a little different, and some of them are really unique. Plus, I have 5 other smiley kind of type of things that I made. And I just want to show you, just to show you the creativity of the scroll saw and woodworking and what you can do if you just put your mind to it and just think outside the box and just have fun. And that's the other thing too I wanted to share. It's important to take time to smile, to help other people to smile, and to take time to laugh. And laughter is good medicine. It's in God's word. And so today we're just talking about smiling and laughing. And so that's a basic one, right? With a regular smile. So I'm going to show you a pile here that I made. I got 20 of them. Okay. So we're just going to go down the pile here and show you what I made. And they're all just a little different. It's just kind of fun. And I'm excited to make more of these. And I've made these for quite a few years now. But I want to make more. And I want to make just see how many different kinds I can make. And then they're just fun to give. That one has a bigger mouth. And again, I'm just winging it. I'm not tracing any patterns or anything. I mean, I traced the basic pattern of the smile that I made. But then the actual face, I'm just winging it. Look at that. I tried to make that one like he's laughing really hard and his eyes are kind of squinting. This one a little bit smaller, kind of a smirky kind of smile. And that one I actually just drilled the holes. I didn't even cut the eyes out. So there's kind of smaller beady eyes, I guess. I don't know. Just kind of fun. Some of these are kind of crazy. You know, each one's different. There's some different smiles. Just having fun. These will make wonderful gifts. I like to stock up on smiles and all the different word art that I like to make. So I have a bunch so that we can give them away to people and stuff. And that one's kind of different. Trying to do different things with the eyes and the mouth. And I got a bunch more ideas. I'm going to do a whole bunch of these. And again, I just encourage you to think outside the box. Use patterns, but tweak the patterns and make them different. Make up your own patterns. Just have fun scroll sawing and woodworking and being creative. Look at that one. Some of them are little small smiles, and some of them are hearty smiles. I just had fun this week, just kind of trying to do some different ones. That one, he's kind of trying to wink, kind of a winking smile. You know, life is hard, y'all. We're all busy. We all have a lot of work to do and responsibilities and lots of things in life. Lots of trials and challenges, but there's lots of blessings too. And there's lots to smile about. And we need to take time to smile and to laugh and just make the most of every day. Trying to do these little winks, and some of them are kind of weird. They're getting a little unique now. They're getting kind of crazy. That one I put a nose in. I've never done a nose, so I thought I'd throw a nose into the smile. Because the nose knows. You've seen my nose. I know. Sorry about that. Some of you like that. Some of you don't like that, but I know. Look at it. He's got heart eyes. Kind of different. I don't know what I was trying to do here. That one's got a nose, and he's trying to wink. And I just winged it. I didn't look up any pictures. I didn't do any. I was just, things I've seen. And these ones I tried to put sunglasses on them. Kind of fun. And that's the whole point of this, is to help people smile. And hopefully it'll make you smile just looking at them. This one's kind of cool. I like this one. That one I put eyebrows on, and he's sticking his tongue out. So I'm going to try to do more of that. Oh, I got lots of ideas. I'm going to make more and more of these. I made all these so that we have to give away to people. So I'm going to bring these ones in the house, give them to my wife this morning, and she can give them away, and I'll make more. It's kind of fun. Yeah, I want to do some different things with the eyes and the smiles and the noses and different things. And the possibilities are endless. And that's the thing. You can take one pattern and make a million things. Just vary it and make them different. Here's the last one. He's got starry eyes. Just kind of fun. A whole pile of smiles, 20, and they're all different and unique, and they'll make wonderful gifts. And then a few other things having to do with smiles here. This one I actually is not smiling, but just kind of a fun face, fun thing. You know, you all, and that's the thing. Again, please take patterns that are out there, all the ideas, and make things, but also make up your own and tweak things, and just think outside the box. You all have seen like the people and pets, you know, little stick people and stuff. Well, I kind of made up my own one day. This guy lost his head. He lost his head. If that doesn't make you smile, those are kind of fun. I want to do some more like that too. Just kind of make up your own. I don't know. These are ones I just did this week, and I'm not really sure what they are, but this is a smiley just kind of on a post. I don't know. Just a smile. And this is a little guy here standing, a little guy with a big head, a smiley with a big head and a little body. It's kind of fun. Oh, there's so many different things. I wanted around the smile. I want to start doing all kinds of stuff. This is just a smile. It's a pocket smile. It's like a coin. This is like a quarter-inch aspen, I think. There's a little pocket smile you can have in your pocket. Everybody has it. Carry around a little smile. And the last one, see if you get the what this is supposed to be. If you grew up in the 70s, well, actually even earlier than that, I think it has to do with a TV show. Gosh, I think it started in the 40s or 50s or something, and it went for 40, 50 years. I don't know. I don't remember, but you get it? Huh? Come on, some of you know. If you know, you know. Smile, you're on Candid Camera. Remember? Oh, that was a great show. I don't know why I was just thinking to smile, and I thought, I'll just make a little camera. I just made it up. Just made up an old camera with a smile in it. So the lens is the smile. There's so many things you can do, y'all. You know, just think outside the box. Just have fun. Scroll sawing and woodworking and just in all of life. Just try not to take life so serious. And again, I know life is hard and there's all kinds of challenges, but life is good too. God is good and there's so many blessings. Focus on the good. Pray about all the hard things of life, but focus on the good and just enjoy life and help other people to enjoy it too. And just cherish every day, live life fully, like I always say. And take time to smile. So this has gotten me to smile the last couple of days, just kind of making some of these. And I have a lot of reasons to smile in my life. I'm really blessed. And even in the midst of all the trials of life, I have so many blessings, and we all do. So please focus on those blessings and take time to smile. And be creative in your woodworking and in all of your crafts. Whatever your craft is, whatever your hobby is, or whatever you enjoy doing, be creative. God created you. Be creative. Make things, think outside the box and make up your own patterns and ideas and plans and designs and just do different things and just have fun with it. And it's just kind of fun. There's smiles all over my shop and on my workbench here. And I'm going to do more of these. Oh, I got so many ideas. But decided to share a little bit this morning with you of you can take one pattern and do all different things, and just have fun with it. So, anyway. I'm going to get on with the day here and decided to make a little video and share with you this morning. Pray you're all doing well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Keep on smiling.